So I get a lot of questions about mulch and how to use mulch and what type of mulch I should use. The best mulch I find is the free mulch from the city, and it's free. You drive your truck over there, you shovel it into the back of your truck or in some bags, and then you lay it out into the whole area. And you lay it pretty thick, probably about anywhere from 4 inches to 6 inches. Now it's going to decompress really quick, and then you're going to have to do it again. Now the first 2 years I have any type of landscape, I do it for 2 years, and then on the second year, at the end of after it starts to decompose, what's happening is that the worms are getting into it. It's starting to add all that carbon into the soil. It's starting to bring that soil back up. But then I want to give it a topping so it looks nice and I don't have to worry about it. And by that time, the plants have grown out. They're nice and thick. They're covering up a lot of the area. So then I use a store-bought mulch that's has a certain color to it. It's consistent, and it doesn't look as ugly as the city mulch. So that's the thing with mulch. First 2 years, use a city mulch. It's free, it's cheap, and it's very effective. Breaks down, starts getting the soil back. End of the second year, go out and buy the mulch from the store to give it a nice finished look.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.